student, this is the part 2 video of Trees Our Life game. In this video we will complete the coding of backdrops and buttons. Okay, first I will open my incomplete game of Trees Our Life. This is our game, incomplete game. I have clicked on that and reopen it. In part 1 video we have added 7 backdrops here and one more, this one. Okay, and also added these 4 buttons here, plus these 4 trees also added. Okay, in this video first we will add soil patches as a sprite where the tree should be implanted. Okay, the tree should be implanted on soil patches. To add the soil patches, first we will click on this plus sign, then go to plants, grass 17 is look like a soil patches where we will implant tree. Okay, I have choose this as a soil patches, so I will click on that, then click on this. Okay, look at here, this sprite is added here. Click on this sprite, then click on parameters and rename this sprite. I will consider that this soil patches is for high wind landscape. Okay, then press OK. I have 4 landscape, so separate soil patches should be added here. Then again same process, click on plus button, go to plants, same grass 17 sprite is added, but name is changes. Go to change the name, go to parameter, sprite, click here and type the name. Second landscape is our industrial. Press OK button. Then add third soil patches. Same process, click on this plus sign, go to plants, Then again choose this sprite and rename this. Click on that sprite, click on then parameter, click on this and rename. Third landscape is our soil erosion. Then okay. Then last soil patches, same process, click on plus button, then plants, grass 17, okay, click on grass 17, rename for, click on parameter. Last landscape is our coastal. Click OK. Look at here, we have added 4 soil patches where we will add these 4 trees. That means we will implant these 4 trees on these 4 soil patches. Okay. Now start coding. First we will start coding for backdrops. Click on background. Look at here, we have 7 background. Look at here, we have 7 background, start, rule, game over, and 4 landscape. Okay, total is 7 background. To start coding, click this arrow, backdrops area is open, and start coding here. Okay, first go to event section. Before going to event section, you have to create a variable. The name of variable you have to create a variable. The name of variable is backdrop screen. Okay, you have also create one more variable, that is score variable. Okay, we will add score variable later. Delete this backdrop variable. Okay, now click on event section. When backdrop, use this command. When backdrop, switch to start. This command, I have 7 backgrounds, that's why we use this command 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, I have added this command 7 times. first screen is your start screen. Okay. Second is your rule. Then I have considered game over. Okay. Start, rule and game over. Okay. Then 4 landscape. Consider first is a high wind. Second landscape is industrial. Third landscape is considered as soil erosion. And fourth is coastal. Okay. Now go to variable section. Set backdrop. This command. Use this command 7 times. Set backdrop 0, 0. Okay, fine. You have to consider backdrop screen variable as a blank, and you will assign the value here. Let us consider for start screen the value is 0. For rule screen the value is given to -1. Then for game over the value is given to that variable is 5. For high wind value is given to 1. For industrial given to 2. Next 3 and coastal 4. Okay, and then save it. Click on that, save. Background code is complete now. Here we have first we will create backdrop screen variable and then assign the value -1 to 5. Okay. 0 for start screen, look at here, 0 for start screen, then -1 for rule screen, 5 for game over, 1 for high wind, 2 for industrial, 3 for soil and 4 for coastal. Okay. Now start coding of button. First we will consider that we will start the start button coding. Click on start button. Our first command is always in event section. Go to event section, when flag click. Okay, here you have to create a variable that is score variable, and initially score variable value should be 0. Click on make a variable score. For all sprite, remember that, for all sprite, and then press OK. Then set backdrop value is 0. Set score, choose score. In first we have assigned backdrop value is 0, and second code we have assigned score value is initially 0. Okay. Initially our background should be start background. Then go to look section. This is look section, and choose the command switch backdrop to start. Here you have considered backdrop is a blank screen where you can add 7 screen, means start, rule, game over, and 4 landscape. Okay, here first we have added start screen. Okay, when you click on flag, your game will start with the start screen. Now remember that start button should be present on start screen. For this, go to control section, take forever command. Now use if then else command. Okay. Remember that we have created a variable backdrop screen variable. If its value is 0, that means our background should be start background. Okay, then go to operator, choose equal operator command operator, then go to variables. This is variable, choose backdrop screen variable, its value should be, look at here, for start the backdrop value is 0. Then go to start button, assign here 0 value, then OK. If backdrop screen equal to 0, that means we are talking about start screen, then start button should be, look at here, matlab means show here, otherwise hide. Okay, now when we click on start button, what should be happen? We should be moved to high wind landscape. Okay, then go to event section, use this command when this sprite click, drag, when this sprite click, what should be happen? Our backdrop should be replaced by high wind landscape. Then go to look section, switch backdrop to start, and start should be replaced here with high wind. Okay, and then save. Now start coding of restart button. Same, when flag click, control section, forever, use if then command, go to operator, equality operator. Okay, restart button should be present on restart screen. For restart screen, the backdrop value is 5, that is game over screen, and the value of game over screen is 5. Go to restart button, choose, go to variable section, choose variable here backdrop, and its value should be 5. For 5, go to look section, drag show command here, otherwise hide. That means when backdrop screen is 5, that means if game over screen is present, then restart button should be present here only, otherwise it will be hide. Okay, what happen when we click on restart button? Go to event section. When this sprite click, we should be move to start screen. Go to look section, switch backdrop to start. Okay, think about the variables. What will be happen on score variable? Score variable should be 0. You have to restart the game here. That means your score should be started with 0 value. Then go to variable, set backdrop to 0, replace backdrop to score. Okay, and then save. Now next is back. Before back, start rule. Rule button coding. Same rule button should be present on start screen. Okay, on start screen, two buttons are present. One is start button and second is rule button. Okay, game player decide he want to know he or she want to know the rules of game before he started the game or not. Okay, when he click on the rule button, the rule window should be open. When it click on the start button, the landscape window should be open. Okay, event section, when flag click, control section, forever if use the if then if else commands here. Same process, same step. Go to operator, use equality operator, then go to variable section, backdrop variable, and choose the backdrop value is 0, because you know that for start screen the backdrop value is 0. Backdrop value is 0. Okay, if backdrop value is 0, go to look section. This button should be show, otherwise hide. Okay, when this button is clicked, when this sprite click, what should happen? When we click on the rule button, the rule window should be open. Then go to look section, switch backdrop to rule, press OK, save. And last is back button coding. Back button should be present on rule window. Okay, then go to event, when flag click, go to control section, forever command, then if else command. Check here that what is the value of rule window is -1. Okay, go to rule, back button. The back button is present on rule window. Then go to operator, use equality operator, go to variable section, choose backdrop variable, its value should be -1. If its value is -1, then go to look section, show this sprite, otherwise hide this sprite. When this button is click. Event section, when the sprite is click, what should be happen? We will switch towards start screen. Okay, look section, switch to no, switch backdrop to start. Okay, and then save. This is the output window here. Look at here, 4 buttons are present. Okay, when I click on flag button, there should be start window and only 2 buttons should be present, start and rule. Flag is click. Look at here, 2 buttons are present only, start button and rule button. When I click on rule button, the rule window should be open. Same here, rule window is open here. When I click on back button, start window should be open. Okay, when I click on start button, our high wind landscape should be open. Okay, thank you class. In next class we will surely complete the game. Okay, thank you.